One Nation, One Election bill was tabled in the Lok Sabha today. It is a proposal aimed at conducting simultaneous elections for the lower house of parliament, state assemblies and local bodies. Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal introduced the bill in the Lok Sabha. He said the bill is aligned with the process of easing the electoral process, which will be synchronized. There will be no damage to the constitution via this bill. There will be no tampering with the basic structure of the constitution. On December 12th, the cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the proposal. The constitutional amendment bill would deal with making provisions for holding Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly elections together. The BJP's manifesto for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls had included its commitment to the idea.
The Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 further to amend the Constitution of India, ये आइटम नंबर 18 में है और आइटम नंबर 19 में जैसे आपने कहा, Honorable Speaker Sir, with your permission, I wish to move for leave to introduce the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024, further to amend the Government of Union Territories Act 1963, the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991 and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. ये मैं आपकी अनुमति से आपसे लीव मांग रहा हूँ. Thank you, sir.
One of the essential features is federalism and the structure of our democracy. And therefore, the bills which have been moved by the Honorable Minister of Law and Justice absolutely assault the basic structure of the Constitution and are beyond the legislative competence of this House, and therefore they need to be opposed ab initio, and the introduction of those bills have to be stopped. And so therefore, this excessive centralism which is sought to be brought into existence by this bill absolutely militates against the constitutional scheme in its essence, in its entirety, and in its very object. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would once again like to urge this House that the introduction of the bill and the consideration of the bill, because of the basic structure doctrine enunciated by the Supreme Court in the Kesavanand Bharti case, is beyond the legislative competence of this House, and therefore this bill needs to be withdrawn immediately. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.